All right, everyone. Hello, it's Mari from Mari's Miscellany. I am glad you're here today in the studio off camera, and holding the secondary camera just in case is my husband and partner, Jonathan. We are doing the unboxing for the prototype of the backing of the clips. My Rounds knitting machine clip-on weights currently look like this. It is 2 clips. On the bottom of them, I attach a fabric covered tire weight. And it works wonderfully to reduce drop stitches on the round knitting machines. What I have been designing is a cover that's going to go on the bottom of the clip instead of this fabric. If I design this correctly, it is going to perfectly glue onto the bottom of the clips. Did I design it correctly? I don't know, but I'm about to find out after I open this. So I'm going to get 2 new clips out. And then I'm going to go ahead and get out, this is a silicone mat. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 clips. Okay. And then I'm going to attach the second clip to that. I'm going to use a clamp to hold that together. All right, so this is going to dry. When this is dry, then I'm going to attach a tire weight and then the cover. So let's go ahead and look at the cover while this is drying. Are you ready, Jonathan?
I'm ready.
He's super ready. He's helping. And he has been helping from the very beginning. He took my drawing and he helped me to measure everything with calipers, and he helped me to communicate and get all of this together. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at them for the first time. There they are. Whoa, oh look at that. Oh, all right. So we have 3 samples, y'all. Sample 1 is in a lighter blue, and we're trying to figure out, we're trying to dial in the blue. So I'm using prefabricated sewing clips, and we're trying to match this blue. So we've got the blue number 1, and I believe that the light blue is how they're actually printed in this blue color, if I'm not mistaken. And that's probably the one I'm going to end up going with.
It does look like the closest match.
It looks like the closest, yeah. And that's going to go on the bottom of this, so then by the time that they're assembled to each other, the blues are going to kind of blend together a bit. Which could then also be argued for the dark blue as well.
Yeah.
But I think the light blue is going to just be a better match.
Agreed.
So, but they all look wonderful. And PiBoxModels is the manufacturer who went ahead, and so what they did is they took our drawing and our measurements, and they did all of that magic, you know, programming stuff that turns this into a 3D print file, and then they proceeded to 3D print the prototypes for me. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. So what we have in here, this cavity ought to fit the tire weight if we measured all of this correctly. And I need 2 finds. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it fits in there. That is so perfect. It fits absolutely perfect, y'all. It's perfect. Okay. So then if the rest of the measurements are correct, this ought to fit perfectly onto the very bottom. And it looks like it does. Oh wow, it does. It fits perfectly on there, y'all. Okay, so the next step is for me to calm down and go ahead and, oh, okay. So we're not completely glued here yet, but I'm going to continue to glue this and we'll clamp it all together as one solid piece. Manufacturing from this point onward is probably going to be this and this at the same time, since they all need to cure. And I'm happy with it so far. We'll see if we can tweak what we can tweak. If not, even if it's exactly the way that it's sent this way, I'd be perfectly happy with that. So next time I see you, we will be talking about whether or not we made those changes and then proceeding to print, hopefully.
Okay.
That's the plan. All right, y'all. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you next time.